अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। स्टार्ट करते हैं न्यू ऑक्सफोर्ड मॉडर्न इंग्लिश बुक 4। इसके यूनिट 10 ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट पार्ट 2 की हमने रीडिंग और उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन कंप्लीट कर ली थी। आज हम करेंगे इस यूनिट की एक्सरसाइजेस। एक्सरसाइज ए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पार्ट ए, वेयर आर द मर्चेंट एंड जॉर्ज रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम। तो इसका आंसर आप नोट करें। द मर्चेंट एंड जॉर्ज आर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम द बीस्ट्स कैसल इन द फॉरेस्ट। क्वेश्चन बी है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ न्यूज डज द मर्चेंट ब्रिंग बैक। Answer B, the merchant brings back good news and bad news. Question C है, what promise did the merchant make and to whom? The merchant made a promise to the beast that he would send one of his 3 daughters to him. Question D, who says he will go with beauty and what for? Answer D note करें। George says he will go with beauty to keep her safe. Question E है, what reason does beauty give for returning home? इसका आंसर है, Beauty says that she has returned because the beast gave her permission to do so. Somehow the beast had known that the merchant was ill. Question F, how does the beast treat Beauty? The beast treats Beauty well. He is kind and generous to her. Question G, do April and June want their sister to go away soon? Answer note करें। April and June do not want Beauty to go back because they want her to look after their father, the house and them. Question H, what reason does Beauty give for wanting to return to the castle? Beauty says that she wants to return to the castle because she wanted to keep her promise and because she had a dream that the beast was ill. Question I, what does Beauty agree to do when the beast arrives at her house? Beauty agrees to marry the beast when he arrives at her house. This question is more difficult. Question J, what happens when the beast becomes transformed? इसका आंसर नोट करें। When the beast transforms, he changes into a handsome prince. He marries Beauty and she becomes a princess. Her father is happy for them and gives his blessing. They live happily ever after in the castle. We can presume that her sisters will not be too happy about all this. Perhaps they and the rest of the family will also benefit from the generosity of the beast and Beauty. Question number 2 है, who said the following? ये जो statements हैं ये play में किसने कही थी? And it smells so sweet, ये कहा था Beauty ने। Who on earth is he? ये जैक ने कहा था। Is he kind to you? The merchant। He didn't harm you, did he, Joseph? And mine, June. I am dying because of my love for you. ये the beast ने कहा था. Shall I clear your plates away now, beauty? Question 3. Who might have said the following? Hurry up with that cleaning. April or June? He was frightening to look at, the merchant. He treated me with kindness and love, beauty. You are all invited to the wedding, beauty or the beast. अब ये है challenge question. Does the behavior of April and June improve in the later parts of the play? Give examples with your answer. इसका आंसर नोट करें. No, the behavior of April and June does not improve in the later parts of the play. For example, when their father returns, they rudely say that they hope he did not bring them only roses. They are quick to encourage Beauty to go to the beast even though it may be dangerous. They are selfish when they say that they will use the treasure for themselves. Their comments about Beauty's dress indicate jealousy. They want Beauty to stay so that she can look after the father because they do not want to. Question number 4. Answer the questions about this line from the play. ये line play में से ली गई है और इससे related ये questions है जिनके हमने answers देने हैं. At last my wish has come true. Question ये है who is speaking to whom? ये किसने किससे कहा था? The merchant is speaking to Beauty. Why does the speaker say at last? Beauty has been away for over 2 months. Her father is worried about her and wishes for her to return home. Question C. What was the wish? The merchant's wish was that the beast would allow Beauty to come home for a day or 2 before he died. Question D. What effect does the wish coming true have on the speaker? The wish coming true brings new life into the merchant's old body. He feels much better. ये अब हम exercise B question number 1 करेंगे. Here are some common phrases in English. They are split into 2 parts. See if you can match them. इन phrases को हमने match करना है और फिर हमने question number 2 में इन्हीं से sentences बनाने हैं. Again and again, more or less, now and then, once or twice, here and there. अब इनके sentences note करें. Again and again यानी बार बार. I have to go to the shop again and again. I have told you again and again not to do that. More or less, तकरीबन. He more or less started the firm या फिर the conference is more or less over. Now and then, कभी कभी. All parents face difficulties now and then. या फिर ये बनाएं try new games every now and then. Once or twice, चंद मर्तबा कभी कभार. Children might repeat words once or twice. या फिर I have taken tea once or twice in my life. अब हम इसका बनाएंगे here and there का, इधर उधर यहाँ वहाँ. We went here and there looking for berries. Clothes were scattered here and there. आप इन sentences से आइडिया लेकर खुद भी sentences बनाने की कोशिश करें. अब हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज सी. Here are some verbs. Look at the way in which they are used. यहाँ पे कुछ verbs दिए गए हैं और यहाँ पर उनको sentences में इस्तेमाल करने का तरीका भी बताया गया है और फिर आपने use some of these expressions in sentences of your own. अपने sentences भी बनाने हैं इन्हीं verbs से. तो आइए नोट करते हैं. Keep. You must keep your hands clean. या फिर you must keep your room tidy. Please keep the children busy. Take. Take a break during study. या I can take care of myself. He does not take advice from anybody. Call. I forgot to call him today. I heard a young girl call for help. या the school board called a meeting. Have. It is a little speech that I have written for him. या फिर ये बनाएं you have finished the job on time. या फिर I have a red car. Exercise C. Composition. Write a short description of the beast and his castle. Draw a picture with the description. Beast और उसके castle की short description लिखें और उसके साथ उसकी picture भी draw करें. तो note करें. Composition. The castle was made up of rocks and stones. It had big high doors and heavy latches. The path to the castle was made up of stone. The boundary was built up with iron bars. The beast was very strong and powerful. He seemed to be made of up stones and iron too. His head was thick like a big boulder, and his teeth were as big and sharp as a lion's teeth. His eyes were like burning flames. The way he walked, he made the earth shake under his feet. His arms were long, and he had a height of over 7 feet. तो ये कंप्लीट हो गया आपका यूनिट 10. मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकॉन बटन प्रेस करना ना भूलिए और मुझे खुशी होगी अगर आप शेयर और लाइक भी करेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.